Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaky faucet. If your faucet squeaks when you try to turn it on and off, this is something you can try. First, unscrew the handle from the base of the faucet. Next, just pop off this plastic cover to reveal one Phillips screw. Take out that Phillips screw. Once the screw is removed, you can simply pop off the little plastic cover where the handle goes. After you take that off, you'll have to undo the plastic nut. Now mine was I was able to just loosen by hand, but if yours is extra tight, you may need a wrench to loosen it up. Once you remove that, you can simply take the entire module out. Just pop it straight out. That's it right there. It's actually two pieces that come apart. You'll see there's two O-rings. You want to get some of this silicone grease. I found it at Home Depot, and just slather it all over each of the O-rings. You want to put a lot more than I'm using in this video. This is just to show you. After I did the video, I added a lot more grease to it. Once you slather it in grease, you can just pop it right back in. Make sure to check the little tabs on the side. That'll show you the direction it needs to go in. Once you have that in, it's just a process of putting everything back together again. Put the plastic nut back on. I just hand tighten mine in case I ever need to take it apart again. Put the little cap, the handle goes on. Make sure it's pointing in the right direction. You can tell by the angle. Now put the Phillips screw back in. Tighten that up. Now just pop the cover back over that and screw in the handle, and you're all set. This should hopefully stop any squeaking from your faucet, and hopefully this will help you out.